Hi everyone, and welcome to the Wellness Connection. I'm Michelle LeMay.
And I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
And today we have a birthday treat that is so healthy that you can eat it anytime.
I know I am.
So if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned. Today is January 29th, and that is Dr. LeMay's birthday.
Yay!
Yay! So today's video serves a dual purpose. It's a way for me to make a birthday treat dessert for him, and it's also a recipe that is Purification Program friendly. And if you're not sure what that means, check out some information in the description below.
Yeah, the 21-day purification program.
Right. So it doesn't have things like dairy. There's no dairy.
Nope.
No refined sugars. There's some healthy sugars that Dr. LeMay will explain about in just a second. There's no eggs, because some people can be allergic to that.
Right.
And there's no gluten.
Or nuts, anything. Nothing that's going to be inflammatory to your body.
Right, right. So there are some choices and substitutions that you make, but we'll go over those in just a minute. So you think, oh great, there's nothing in there that's any good. It's not going to taste very good.
Yes, there is.
Yes, there is. So this is going to be really yummy. You're going to love it so much that you're going to want to not just save this for birthdays, but you can have this more often.
Yes.
So we're going to get to cooking, and you'll see the ingredients, and then of course at the end we're going to get to sample that and let you know how awesome and yummy it is.
Yes. So we'll see you then.
All right, let's go. We're back, and the lemon poppy seed muffins are out of the oven. They've cooled for a bit. We've drizzled some vanilla frosting on top, so we are ready to try them out.
All right.
You ready?
I am ready.
Okay. So, yes. So, happy birthday. Make a wish. Blow it out. All right. We're going to give it a try.
These are great.
These are super moist.
To you guys. No.
No, this is super moist and chewy. It's not dry or flaky or anything. It's not too sweet. It's not too lemony. If you, of course, want more lemony flavor, add more zest, add more lemon juice, maybe a little bit less of the milk so they're not too runny. And yeah, you can eat these anytime of year, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
So some of the ingredients that we used, let's start with the sweetener. We used honey and we used maple syrup. So
correct.
There are some health benefits to both of those.
Yeah, both of those are great for your heart. They're loaded with vitamins and minerals. They have really good unsaturated fatty acids in them. And this is something that Dr. Lee and Dr. Weston Price talked about all the time, especially if you get Tupelo honey. That is an excellent brand of honey that stays for like 20 plus years. So it doesn't go bad. It has a long shelf life. So yeah, Tupelo honey and maple syrup. Same thing. Maple syrup is great for the heart. And it's also loaded with vitamins and minerals that are really good for you.
Wow. So that doesn't mean that you are allowed to go crazy.
No, don't go crazy.
And eat tons of pancakes and waffles and just go, oh, I'm putting organic maple syrup all over it, so it's good for me.
And Tupelo honey.
Right. No. That is not what we're saying. Moderation, right?
Mm-hmm. Moderation.
Just a little bit, because it's super sweet.
Mm-hmm.
So some of the other things that we used is...
You gonna use that?
I'm going to eat it, but I'm talking.
Okay.
Get your own. So, butter, of course. Grass-fed butter. That's our brains need fat, and just about all our videos we talk about eating good fat.
Good fat.
Yep. And flour. So you can choose between an almond flour, coconut flour, things like that are low in carbs and are gluten-free. Right?
Yes. And again, these are all recipes you can use on the 21-day Purification Program and at any time too. So eat these. These are really good for you. It's a good food that you can have at any time.
Yep.
Breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Yeah. So normally I would scarf this down. This would be totally gone, but I just didn't want to scarf it down on camera. So anyway, hope you enjoy this recipe. It's really, really yummy.
And if you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, come back and give us comments down below so we can do more videos or other videos like this. Give us some ideas.
Yeah, absolutely. We're here for you. So I'm Michelle LeMay.
And I'm Dr. Mark LeMay.
Glad you joined us on the Wellness Connection. We will see you next time.
See you next time.